Most truck drivers get this wrong when money runs tight on the road. They wait until fuel is low, bills are overdue, and then rush into expensive borrowing options. Here's the truth no one tells you. If you understand cash advance apps properly, you can handle short-term cash gaps without falling into debt traps. Quick promise. In this video, you'll learn the best cash advance apps for truck drivers in 2026, how they work with irregular income, and how to use them safely while you're constantly on the road. Let's get straight into it. First, understand the core problem truck drivers face. Income is not always weekly and predictable. Some weeks are heavy loads with good pay. Other weeks are delays, waiting time, or lower miles. So cash flow becomes uneven. That's exactly where cash advance apps come in. Now here's where most people mess up. They assume every app will approve them instantly. But most apps still check for consistent deposits, even if your income is irregular. Let's start with one of the most used apps, Earnin. Earnin lets you access money you've already earned before payday. So if Mike is a long-haul driver and gets paid per delivery cycle, he can withdraw part of his earnings early. The key is having a trackable income deposit. Next is Dave. Dave is popular because it offers small cash advances quickly and helps prevent overdraft fees. It's simple and beginner-friendly. But here's the catch. The advance amounts are usually small, so it works best for fuel stops or short expenses, not big repairs. Now here's where it gets interesting. For drivers who want more structured financial support, MoneyLion is often used. It offers cash advances, credit building tools, and even rewards programs. So it's not just emergency cash, it's a full financial app. Another option some drivers use is Bridgit. It monitors your bank account and offers advances when your balance drops. So if Jake is stuck waiting for a load payment, Bridgit can help prevent overdrafts automatically. But here's the problem. These apps are not designed for long delays in income. If your payments are consistently late, relying only on cash advances can create a cycle of dependency. So here's how to use them smartly on the road. Only use advances for essential costs like fuel, food, or emergency repairs. Always check repayment timing before accepting money. And never stack multiple advances at once, because that can break your budget fast. Also, make sure your trucking income is connected to a bank account that these apps can verify. Without that, approval becomes harder. To wrap it up, the best cash advance apps for truck drivers in 2026 include Earnin, Dave, MoneyLion, and Bridgit. Each one helps differently, but they all work best when used for short-term gaps, not long-term problems. If this helped you understand how to manage money better on the road, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more practical financial guides for drivers.